Qigong is two words actually. Qi is prana, you can call it prana or the life force or the energy, and Gong is the cultivation. So the energy cultivation is Qigong. So this art is an ancient Chinese art. Its history is more than 4,000 years, and a lot of people are practicing for health benefits. And there are so many styles in Qigong, and you can practice and imitate a lot of animal movements and improve your flexibility, as well as you are cultivating the energy through mind regulation, body regulation, and breathing regulation. And when you harmonize these three regulations, you can energize yourself and improve your prana or the Qi. I have a martial art background since I was 13 as practicing martial arts. So when I grew older, I realized now I don't have much energy when I was very young. And when I started practicing Qigong, I got back to my normal energy levels and the flexibility and the strength. So for last 6 years of practicing Qigong, I never been to a doctor, and it improves my health as well as my flexibility and the strength and my overall health. I would like to invite all corporates to try out Qigong and to optimize your work and to your health, and please contact us if you are willing to follow Qigong.